gosh, this is so pretty. This is so cute. Look at the little butterfly. Heat press. Oh, do I gotta turn this off? I'm starting to smell this. I ain't even got my instructions. I don't even know what I'm doing, y'all. Oh. This is real time. This is a real roll. Unboxing, testing, all in one. And I'm trying to do this all while my son is with his siblings. I'm trying. I don't know what I'm doing. My energy just hasn't been what it was when I first got into it. But I'm still going to keep it going, you guys. I don't want to leave you guys hanging. And I don't want to waste my money either because none of this stuff is sponsored. So I got this cooling block. I think this is so cute. Look at the little butterfly. Super cute. Like, I'm buying cute stuff, y'all. I'm really buying cute stuff. I'm just letting stuff sit. And I got a problem with purchasing things and not following through. Like, I start something and then I don't follow through with it. So we're ending it now. I also got this whole little packet from Amazon. It comes with heat gloves, scraper, the Teflon sheets. Comes with these. Of course, I got it in pink. The gloves. The heat-resistant tape you can use to tape down your transfer sheets. Squeegee scraper that you can use to make sure everything is flat. And the slicer so I can cut my transfers seamlessly. So I think I gotta watch a little tutorial on this. I know it says press your shirt first. Oh, I need to get my book. Okay guys, so I got the new HTVRONT Auto Press 2 and I'm going to be testing that for the very first time. I set up a little station in my room. Never done it before. This is my very first time that I'm going to be actually pressing my very first shirt using this new HTVRONT Auto Press 2. 210 Fahrenheit, 20 seconds, and 50 pounds. I'm going to keep it at 50 pounds, but I'm trying to change the temperature to 350 because that's what I see them doing. So I got it at 350. I'm going to pull out my drawer and I'm going to this is my first time, y'all. Fold this back a little bit. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a lint roller and I'm going to roll it. And we're going to use my little measure. First and foremost, let me get my heat transfer. Let's unbox my game sheet. Mind you, this has been in the box since January the 6th and today is January the 30th. My very first game sheet. This is my first time ever making a game sheet, but I followed the instructions that I've seen off of YouTube and I made it through CANVA. Hopefully the design looks good enough to press, okay? So it comes like this. Alrighty. So let's do it. Oh my gosh, this is so pretty. Hold on. Look at it. Oh, this is nice. Yo, this is so nice. Alright, I don't know which one I want to start with. So we're doing a brown crew neck. So I think I want the brown. I'm going to do red. So I'm going to do this design right here. So I'm gonna cut that out and then I'll come back. Okay. So here's one of my designs. Here's one of my designs here. So I'm gonna cut this one. Oh, I'm too close. Okay. The design that I'm going to be using, Pretty Girls Manifest. Okay. Now it's tricky because they're close together, so I got to make sure that I cut in between here. So, let's make sure we do this right. Perfect. Okay. So now we're going to get ready to print our first one. So I'm going to cut all the excess off. And this tool is really, this tool right here gets you smooth cuts every time. Okay. So we got this. This is going to be the design that we're going to press today. So we got all of these little gadgets here. Comes with all of these little measurements. And I'm going to go with adult front. Pull it out here. I'm going to place it right underneath the top here. And we're going to lay the design probably about the thing that says center, and we're just going to make sure that it's centered how we want, and we're going to use that. Oh, we want to press the shirt first. That's what it says. So we're going to put it in. Okay. Then I think you press the red button. I think you press the red button. Okay, yeah. So it just auto-released itself. Now we're going to pull it out. Okay, I'm going to make sure that it's centered. We're going to put our measure on there. I'm going to take our design. And I want it a little bit right here. Tape here. So I did purchase a gang sheet that I created myself on Canva. The quality was great. Atlantic vinyl. It came like this. So I got a total of 12 images on this one gang sheet. I got different colors, different sizes, super cute. I ordered this January the 6th. Today is January the 30th, so it's been in the box for that long. I'm going to put it on top, and I'm going to press it now for another 5 seconds. To press it between 10 to 15 seconds, 20 the first one, so this one we're going to do 5 seconds. And we're going to start. Quick. I'm going to just let this cool down. Oh, it's kind of crooked. That I purchased. It has cooled. hopefully I did this right. This is my first time. I'm just gonna peel off. This press gets really hot. Jeez. I mean, I'm going to take my cooling block and I'm just going to make sure that I press it down just in case it wasn't enough pressure and to help it cool. And I do find that it does help it cool down a lot quicker. The moment of truth. We're going to get close up on this. We're going to get close up. I'm going to bring you guys down. Okay, like so. And so should I peel from this corner down? Let's try this. Oh my gosh, let's see. All right, let's So this is the sheet. You see all of the color came off. Every piece of the design is now on the shirt. Look at this.